Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm showing you something so outrageous. It feels like fiction, a $3 million luxury motorhome that redefines what it means to travel in style. This is the 2026 Prevost, and trust me, you won't believe what's inside. From the outside, it's already stunning, a full-length panoramic window design, gleaming chrome finish, custom paint accents, and futuristic LED lighting. But the real magic begins when the doors open automatically and welcome you into a mobile palace. As you step in, you're hit with pure elegance. The floor? Custom Italian marble, backlit with smart LED strips that change color on command. The walls are covered in soft, hand-stitched leather panels. The ceiling has a fiber optic starlight system that simulates the night sky. Yes, you can change constellations with your voice. In the main lounge, luxury takes over. Full-size reclining lounge chairs with built-in massage functions. A 75-inch 4K smart TV that silently rises from the console. Every element in this space, lighting, audio, curtains, temperature, is fully controlled by the Prevost's onboard tablet system or your phone. Next, the kitchen, and this is where most RVs stop short, but not here. We're talking quartz countertops, touch panel cabinets, a full convection oven, a smart induction stove, a dual-drawer dishwasher, and even a 30-bottle wine fridge. It's more modern than most city apartments. Now, the bathroom. Heated marble floors, a full-size rain shower with LED ambient lighting and steam function, a bidet-equipped smart toilet with voice commands, and the mirror? It has a built-in display for weather, news, or even YouTube while you get ready. Moving to the bedroom, it's a sanctuary. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, hydraulic underbed storage, a secondary entertainment system, and pink-out smart glass for privacy. There's also a skylight directly above the bed, so you can fall asleep under the stars or close it with one tap. This motorhome runs on a hybrid diesel-electric system with rooftop solar, allowing off-grid living for days. High-speed satellite internet, full 5G support, and onboard security surveillance come standard. The cockpit is just as high-tech, digital dash, driver assist systems, panoramic cameras, and full pilot controls. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a 5-star hotel, a tech hub, a smart house, and a private jet all in one. If this blew your mind, hit like, subscribe to Auto Plus, and let me know in the comments, would you live in this full time? Thanks for watching.